Hello friend. Today I have taken one topic from international relation. The name of the topic is, do we really understand China? It is said that if we want to understand or know the China, we must understand the past of India and China. This past understanding of India and China will probably help to deal the present conflict between India and China. Thus, it is said that India enters the consciousness of the contemporary Chinese as a source of opium, which the British insisted on dumping in China. Here, I will try to elaborate the above statement with regard to Opium War. There were two Opium Wars. The first Opium War was fought in 1839 to 42 between the Qing dynasty of China and Great Britain. The second Opium War was fought between Qing dynasty on one side and China and Britain and France on another side in 1856 to 60. By the early 19th century, more and more Chinese were smoking British opium as a recreational drug. But for many, what started as a recreation soon became a punishing addiction. The Chinese government recognized that opium was becoming a serious social problem, and in the year 1800, it banned both the production and import of opium. Thus, ban on the opium led to the loss of British government revenue. So, British government waged two opium wars against the China. In these two wars, Indian soldiers were used by the Great Britain. Thus, use of Indian soldiers in British assault may have led to a negative attitude among the Chinese towards Indians. The British Empire was seen as a threat to Chinese control over the Xinjiang and its suzerainty in the Tibet. Later on, government of independent India was suspected of inheriting similar motives. This suspicion regarding India has entered into the foreign policy of China. Thus, though India and China are neighboring countries, we don't know too much about each other. To conclude, to resolve and build trust, both countries must understand each other about their past. Thank you for watching my video.